Welcome to Super Deals Alert. Today we are sharing with you the top 6 online drone deals. These drone deals are only available for a limited time. Number 1. Sima Z6 Pro Foldable GPS Drone with 4K HD camera for adults, FPV RC Quadcopter with brushless motors, auto return home, 2 batteries and 48 minutes of flight time. The Sima Z6 Pro is a feature-packed foldable drone that caters to both beginners and experienced pilots. Its 4K HD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens ensures stunning aerial photos and videos, while the integrated GPS enables precise positioning and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Orbit. Safety is prioritized with features like auto return home and headless mode, while gesture control adds a fun and intuitive element to the flying experience. The brushless motors provide efficient and quiet flight, and the 2 included batteries allow for up to 48 minutes of exploration. Number 2. Roku U11S Drones with camera for adults 4K, built-in remote ID, 120 degrees FOV, GPS auto return, 40 minutes flight, 5G live transmission, foldable FPV drones for beginners with Follow Me, Circle Fly, Waypoint. The Roku U11S is a 4K camera drone suitable for both adults and beginners. Its 120 degrees field of view and adjustable 90 degrees camera angle enable capturing high-quality photos and videos that can be saved directly to your smartphone. It boasts a 40-minute flight time with 2 included intelligent flight batteries, ensuring extended fun and creativity. The 5G live transmission provides a real-time, high-definition view from the drone's perspective for an immersive flying experience. The foldable design and lightweight build make it highly portable and convenient for travel. Additionally, the drone is equipped with GPS auto return for safe and worry-free flying, and it includes a variety of intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Circle Fly, and Waypoint navigation, for capturing unique and dynamic footage. The built-in remote ID ensures compliance with FAA regulations, making it a legal and responsible choice for drone enthusiasts. Number 3. Holy Stone Drone HS175D with 4K camera for adults and beginners, foldable GPS drone with auto return home, Follow Me mode, 2 batteries and double the flight time. The Holy Stone HS175D is an excellent drone for both beginners and experienced users, offering a 4K camera with a 110 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustability for stunning aerial photography and videography. Its 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures smooth real-time viewing on your smartphone, while the GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes make it easy to capture professional-looking footage. With 2 batteries providing up to 46 minutes of flight time, you have ample opportunity to explore and create. The foldable design and user-friendly controls make it a portable and enjoyable drone to take on any adventure. Number 4. Aoshi 2-axis gimbal drones with 4K EAS camera for adults beginner, S9S FPV RC Quadcopter, 65-minute flight time, optical flow, Follow Me, and smart return home. The Aoshi S9S is an excellent drone for beginners and hobbyists who want to capture high-quality aerial footage without breaking the bank. Its 2-axis gimbal with EIS ensures smooth 4K videos, while the 110 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens captures breathtaking landscapes. The extended 65-minute flight time allows for more exploration and filming, and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Return Home make it easy to use even for novice pilots. The drone's lightweight and portable design makes it a convenient travel companion for capturing memories on the go. Additionally, the Aoshi S9S offers a user-friendly experience with its intuitive controls and responsive handling. Its GPS functionality ensures stable and precise flight, making it easier to focus on capturing stunning visuals. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or an experienced user seeking an affordable option with impressive features, the Aoshi S9S is worth considering. Number 5. L800 Pro 2 GPS drone with 4K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, and smart LiPo battery, perfect for adults and beginners, FPV RC Quadcopter with brushless motor, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, and 2 batteries. The L800 Pro 2 GPS drone is a versatile and user-friendly drone suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It boasts a 4K HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth and stable footage, making it ideal for aerial photography and videography. The drone comes equipped with a smart LiPo battery and a powerful brushless motor, providing approximately 52 minutes of total flight time with the 2 included batteries. Additional features include GPS functionality for precise positioning and control, as well as various intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Point of Interest, Waypoints, and Smart Return to Home when the battery is low or signal is lost. Number 6. DJI Mini 4 Pro Folding Drone with RC2 Remote, with Screen, Fly More Combo, 4K HDR Video, under $249G, Omnidirectional Sensing, 3 batteries bundle with 3-year CPS extended warranty and accessories. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Folding Drone Fly More Combo is a comprehensive package designed for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. Weighing under 249G, it's incredibly portable and exempt from registration in most regions. This drone captures breathtaking 4K HDR videos, ensuring vibrant colors and exceptional detail. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing provides a safe flying experience, even for beginners. The Fly More combo enhances the drone's capabilities by including 3 batteries, extending your flight time significantly. It also comes with a charging hub for convenient battery management and additional accessories like spare propellers and ND filters for creative control. The RC2 remote controller features a built-in screen, eliminating the need for a smartphone for a more immersive piloting experience. For added peace of mind, the combo includes a 3-year extended warranty, covering repairs and replacements. This makes it an excellent investment for those seeking a reliable and high-performing drone. The link to these offers are in the description box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more deals. Happy deals hunting!